Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. National Commercial Bank, NCB, has received approval from the Financial Services Commission to streamline its insurance business, currently offered by its competing subsidiaries NCB Insurance Company and Guardian Life. The company made the disclosure in a release to the Jamaica Stock Exchange. As part of the streamlining process, NCB Insurance will transfer 100% of its insurance and annuities business to Guardian Life. The transfer will take effect on Wednesday, September 30. It means NCB will discontinue its insurance underwriting business. However, NCB Insurance will sell insurance products as an exclusive agent of Guardian Life under a new company name, which is to be registered under the Insurance Act. The company will also continue to provide pension fund administration and investment management services. The company will also be licensed as a dealer under the Securities Act. NCB says insurance policies for existing policyholders will not be impacted, as Guardian Life will honor the contracts being transferred on their current terms. Guardian Life became a subsidiary of the NCB Financial Group last year when NCB acquired a 62% stake in its Trinidad-based parent company, Guardian Holdings. NCB Group President and CEO Patrick Hilton says the streamlining became necessary after the group realized it was missing out on opportunities by having competing entities in the financial group. The region's second biggest bank, Trinidad-based First Citizens, has taken a 5% stake in Barita Investments. The stake was purchased through its First Citizens Investment Services during Barita's recent additional public offering. The stake is valued at approximately $5 billion, given Barita's estimated post-APO market value of over $90 billion. First Citizens Investments is a registered securities broker dealer in the countries in which it operates, namely Trinidad and Tobago, St. Lucia, Barbados, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The company's total assets under management amounts to approximately $3.2 billion, which includes both proprietary and client assets. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.25. The Canadian dollar sold for $107.15. The pound sterling is going for $185.70, while the euro closed at $168.11. The JSE index lost 1,196 points today, while the junior market index is up 8 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000 9.5% preference shares, Caribbean Cream, Blue Power Group, 138 Student Living, and Mayberry Investments. Now on the losing side were Epley Ordinary Shares and Epley 8.75% preference shares due 2023, Siboney Group, Lumber Depot, and JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.